speaking of Valentine's Day, I have a kind of a neat little math problem related to Valentine's Day that actually one of my students shared with me a couple years ago. She found it on Facebook and shared it with me. So if you cut to my screen, I'm going to show you the Valentine's Day problem that my student gave me. So it's an inequality. I did post this on the Facebook feed if anybody read it. So there's this inequality, 9x minus 7i is greater than 3 times the quantity of 3x minus 7u. Kind of seems like a bunch of garble, it's pretty complicated, but what if we simplify it? I'm going to show you kind of a surprise. So the first step to simplifying it is we want to use the distributive property and distribute out the 3 by multiplying by both of the terms. And so on the left, we're going to keep our 9x minus 7i. And then on the right, now we have 3 times 3x, which is 9x. And then 3 times negative 7u, which gives us negative 21u. And then another thing that we can do to simplify is we can balance out the 9x, or in other words, subtract 9x from both sides. So if I subtract 9x from both sides, positive 9x, negative 9x, they equal 0. So I have on the left side just negative 7i. And then again, 9x plus negative 9x equals 0. So on the right, I have negative 21u. So we're getting closer to a simplified inequality. The last thing that we want to do to simplify is we're going to divide both sides by negative 7, because negative 7 goes into both. Oh, not 71, sorry. So if we divide the left side by negative 7, negative 7 divided by negative 7 is 1, so we can just say we've got I on there. And when we divide or multiply an inequality by a negative number, we have to switch the direction of the sign. And so instead of it being greater than, now it's going to be less than. So it says I less than, and now we have negative 21 divided by negative 7. It gives us 3. And so I less than 3u. So anyone who knows text speak, there we go. There's your nice little Valentine's Day math inequality. So I hope you liked that as much as I did. I'm kind of a math nerd, so I really, really loved it. But show that to your friends or show that to your teachers, and give them some love on Valentine's Day.